Good morning, everyone. I think it's time to start working on a kitchen. So we're here in the basement, which was the kitchen and is going to be the kitchen again. We've got this beautiful place, these beautiful vaulted ceilings, which I absolutely adore. And I've been trying to design a beautiful space here. I think the kitchen is really, I wouldn't say the heart, but maybe the second heart of the whole villa. So I really want it to be something special, something well thought through and well designed. So I took my time and I think I've come up with something that I like. And surely, like always, things are gonna change as we go. So we're gonna find out what happens, but I'm super stoked to start here. My hair is getting more and more ridiculous. So I think first off, we need to move this kitchen island, which has been here for the longest time and I'm very, very happy with. I'm gonna change, well, I've been using this electric stove for the longest time. This gas stove is gonna move out, since I've not used it anyways. But both stoves actually are gonna move, and we're gonna make a cutting board in the hole that this gas stove leaves. So we're gonna basically make a big cutting board here, which maybe I can lift off. I'm not sure about the design, the final design yet, but this is gonna be a big cutting area. And actually this whole area is gonna be like preparation, cutting, whatever, like you can make pasta on this side because there's quite a nice big space to make some pasta, which I've done before. There goes my light. And this is gonna be the cutting area. So, and here we can wash in the sink, stuff like that. So yeah, this is basically gonna be a big preparation area right here. And then basically I think the most logical thing to do is wash, prepare here, and then take stuff and cook it right here. So we got some ovens in this area right there. I think we're gonna have some an electric stove right here so we can cook, take stuff. Yeah, I think that makes sense. But we'll have to see as we go. So we got some extra help today from our friend Francesco, and he's gonna help us with the kitchen. So let's see what we can do today. Staccato adesso penso. Sopravvissuto.
Sarà come prima, lo sai, è vero che...
Be here, do some weird shit, and try to lift it above, and you can just walk like this.
Ok,
And watch. And just leave it on your side. Just leave it flat. Just don't lift it. I think.
ok.
Okay. You can start lifting if you can. Yeah, slide is better. Okay. Can you tweak? Can you
Wait. I just.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reposition the other. Yeah. Good. Okay.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Are you good?
Yeah. Good.
We made it.
When the last bit we're gonna lift it.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you the videos I did for the sisters. I did